Team Buffalo asks, their first question is, where are current students coming from? How do they hear about MSC? I've just done a research project in the last four months, which I mentioned earlier. If I could refer to that again, in terms of where they heard about MSC for the first time. In 2017, now 20% of said they heard it from a friend first. How about it from a friend? 19.1% heard it from a family member. So your total word of mouth is about 39%, which is huge. The next one is school visit, which is 16.1%, and then they saw the building was 12.5%. So that's always quite a strange one, is that 12.5% of the students saw the building and decided to come in, and that's how they kind of found us, which is slightly disturbing, but also it's an interesting insight as well. And then 10.3% is internet and social media. But it's worth saying that 2 years ago, I did the same question two years ago in 2015, and only 4.9% said internet and social media, whereas now 10.3% are saying internet and social media. So you can see the trend there, that it's becoming more and more prevalent with the youth. If I could go back to the first question there, where are current students coming from? Typically your township schools, which are nearby your campuses, usually within 30 to 40 kilometers. There are some unusual cases, as I said, in the rural campuses where students are traveling 50 kilometers a day to get to the campus. But it really is township schools. They're coming from poorer backgrounds, and yeah, typically from the schools within our areas, and they are school leavers, 18-year-olds. Yeah.